Hello everybody, today I wanted to show you how you can find, download, and install new fonts for your Windows computer. Whether it's Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can install them, and both of the first 2 ways should work with Windows 10 and Windows 11, and then the third way will work with all the versions of Windows. So let's go over to the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your web browser. So I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge. Now you can use any of the search engines you want to, whether it's Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, Yahoo. The list just goes on and on. So just use whichever one you want. I'm just going to go ahead and go over to Google and do the search there. Now here I'm going to type in free fonts. Now, the reason I'm searching for free fonts is there's one in particular that I really like. It's called Font Space. So if you go to Font Space, what I like about it is when you click on fonts right here, you can tell it commercial use. Or you can just click right here where it says commercial use. Now, when I click that, any of these you can use personally or for commercial. So you can make something and you sell it. You can use it for videos that I put up online, anything of that nature. Okay, and then we're just going to scroll down and we'll just find a font, anything. I don't know. Let's see. How about this West Horn regular? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little, it looks like a cloud with an arrow, and I'm going to click on that and it's going to download the font for me. Now it's already finished because it's, it's a really small file. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the folder right here. And then once it opens up, it's a zip file. So what we have to do is we have to extract it. So I'm going to right click on it and tell it to extract all. And then just click extract again. And it's going to put it right in that same downloads folder, but it's going to be extracted now instead of a zip folder. Okay. So now here's the 3 different ways that you can install that font. So the first, and probably the easiest way, just right click on it. And then you can either choose install or install for all users. And once you do that, it's going to immediately put it in the fonts folder and it's going to be available for all of your different applications. Now, the second way you can do it is you just click on start. You go up here to settings. Then you're going to go to personalization and you're going to go to fonts. And then right here, all you have to do is just go back over here to the folder and just drag and drop it right there and it'll immediately install it. And then it'll be available. Now those first 2 ways will work for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now if you have an older computer like Windows 7, Windows 8, those may not work for you. But this other way will. So this last way, if you go down here to your File Explorer, I've already got a window open, but I want to open a new one. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on File Explorer, which will open yet another window. Then I'm going to go to this PC, the C drive, and then I'm going to go into Windows, and then look, here's a folder called Fonts. If I go into that Fonts folder, and if I'll just take these files and drag and drop them in the Fonts folder, it's going to work for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Final Cut, any program that you can change the fonts. So go ahead and just copy them over, and once you've done that, restart your computer, and then you should be able to go to any program that you want and use those new fonts. I had one bonus way I wanted to show you also. So on your computer, if you'll go into the Microsoft Store, look up here at the top, you can just type in font. Once you type in font, look at all these different fonts that show up. All you have to do, just click on one, like this Rockwell Nova. And then you can just tell it to get. That's going to install that font so that you can use it in different programs. So that was the bonus way I wanted to show you that you could actually easily install it. And you don't have to do anything but just search for a font. You can even try different ones if you want to. Go back to fonts and you can scroll down and you can find a different one. Look, there's a Christmas one. There's a Georgia Pro, Arial Nova. Look, there's all kinds of them. So just click one that you like and then just tell it to get, it'll automatically install it for you. You may want to restart your computer after you've installed it, but then it's going to work perfectly. So I hope that was helpful on how to find, download, and install a font on your Windows computer. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you about it and answer those questions. And also, if there's a video that you'd like me to create, please leave that down below in the comments as well, and I'll do my best to get that video created for you. And as always, because y'all do such a great job, if you'll please hit that like and subscribe button, I'll be glad to keep putting up more great content and help you with anything that you need. Thanks so much. I appreciate you all, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.